Gusto nyo ba ng different ways or technique on how to cook your ordinary fried rice and chicken? Well, TIKNIK TV is here again to show you how to do it, turning your ordinary recipes into extraordinary dish in a simple and easy ways but deliciously good to another level. At dito lang yan sa channel na ito, ang TIKNIK TV. So excited na ba kayo? Simulan na natin ang pagluluto. What we need are chicken, any part of the chicken, rice, cooking oil, garlic, onion, fresh chili, green and red peppers, chili powder, dried oregano or fresh oregano, tomato, turmeric o ang luyang dilaw. First, we're gonna start with some garlic. Gisahin lang natin. And as soon as they start turning brown, the garlic, we're gonna add our peppers and onions together with the chilies. Let's cook this for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we're going to add about 1/2 tablespoon of chili powder. But you can add more or less chili powder, depende sa tolerance nyo pagdating sa spicy food. Wag lang yung tipong parang ayaw nyo na ipakain sa sobrang anghang. Mix lang natin ito, and then we can add our chicken together with oregano and tomatoes. In this recipe, I'm using the breast part, but we can also use chicken legs or wings for this. Marami ang nag-a-ask if needed pa daw ba talaga ang paglalagay ng oregano. Well, my answer is hindi actually, kasi hindi ito common para sa ating mga Filipino na gumamit ng ganitong herbs sa ating daily na nilulutong food. Well, aside from loving the pungent flavor that oregano gives to my food, those who doesn't know, oregano is also a great antibacterial agent. It has phytonutrients which fight infections such as staph. It is also loaded with antioxidants that help us prevent cell damage. And it's an excellent source of fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, and calcium. Those are some of many health benefits of using oregano. Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng mga healthy foods dyan, di ba? Alam nyo naman sa panahon ngayon, bawal lang magkasakit. So, that's our little trivia why I'm using oregano mga kateknik. Let's go back cooking with this mouth-watering dish, shall we? Haluin lang natin ito and let it simmer in a medium fire until maluto na yung chicken. While we are waiting for the chicken to cook, let's start making our garlic fried rice. Prepare another frying pan. Heat a small amount of cooking oil and put 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. When the garlic start turning brown, let's put 1 cup of rice. Well, you can add more rice, depende kung gaano karami ang iyong papakainin. We're just gonna saute our rice and then it's ready to serve. And tada! Here's your spicy chicken with garlic fried rice. O, diba? And this is the result when you're cooking with a technique. Smells so good. So, paano ba yun mga kateknik? Kumain na tayo. Abangan nyo mga susunod pa naming videos mga kateknik para mas sumarap ang inyong mga nilulutong food. Until next time!